Welcome to Health Wanderer. Today, we're diving into intermittent fasting. Join us as we explore its potential benefits, how it works, and what you need to know to get started. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health insights. Discover the secret to a healthier you through intermittent fasting. Could this be the game changer you've been looking for? Many are finding that this approach to eating offers a straightforward, effective way to boost well-being and elevate overall health. Intermittent fasting is gaining traction as more people turn to this ancient practice. With its roots in historical eating patterns, this method is now backed by modern science, offering potential health benefits that cater to today's wellness-focused society. At its core, intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets, it doesn't focus on what you eat, but rather when you eat, making it an adaptable lifestyle change for many individuals. The basic concept revolves around designated eating windows and fasting periods. For instance, you might eat all your meals within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours, allowing your body time to reset and rejuvenate. One of the key health benefits of intermittent fasting is weight management. By naturally reducing calorie intake and optimizing hormone function, many individuals find that fasting helps them achieve and maintain a healthier weight without the need for restrictive dieting. Intermittent fasting can lead to enhanced energy levels by allowing the body to optimize its energy sources. During fasting, the body shifts from burning glucose to accessing fat stores for fuel, providing a steady, sustained energy release throughout the day. Fasting may boost metabolism by promoting the production of norepinephrine, a hormone that aids fat breakdown. This shift can enhance metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories more efficiently and potentially supporting weight loss and overall metabolic health. Recent research highlights intermittent fasting's effectiveness in improving health markers, including insulin sensitivity and inflammation reduction. Studies suggest that fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular conditions. While intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, safety is paramount. Individuals with medical conditions or those pregnant should consult healthcare professionals before starting. Tailoring fasting to personal health needs ensures a safe and effective approach to this dietary strategy. Anecdotal evidence often reveals the personal impact of intermittent fasting. Many individuals report increased alertness, improved mood, and a sense of control over eating habits. These personal stories highlight the potential transformative effects of incorporating fasting into one's lifestyle. Starting with small changes is key for those new to intermittent fasting. Begin by gradually increasing fasting periods to allow your body to adjust. Listen to your body's signals and maintain a balanced diet during eating windows to ensure nutritional adequacy. Popular fasting methods like 16/8 or 5/2 offer flexibility in scheduling. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window, while the 5/2 method incorporates 2 non-consecutive days of reduced calorie intake. Meal planning is essential during fasting periods. Focus on nutrient-dense meals, such as lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables to support your fasting journey. Preparing meals in advance can help you stick to your fasting schedule and avoid temptation. Staying hydrated is crucial when practicing intermittent fasting. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and other non-caloric beverages can help manage hunger and maintain energy levels. Proper hydration supports bodily functions and contributes to a more successful fasting experience. Facing challenges like hunger pangs and social gatherings can be daunting. Combat these by keeping busy, finding supportive communities, and reminding yourself of your goals. Planning social outings around your eating window can help you maintain your fasting routine without feeling left out. Incorporating fasting into a busy lifestyle requires strategic planning. Start by identifying fasting windows that align with your daily routine. Consistency is key, so gradually adjust your schedule to accommodate fasting periods without disrupting work, family, or social commitments. Intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, but realistic expectations are crucial. While many experience weight loss and improved energy, results vary. It's important to view fasting as a sustainable lifestyle choice rather than a quick fix for immediate results. Certain groups, like those with busy lifestyles, may benefit most from fasting's flexibility. People seeking weight management, improved metabolic health, or enhanced focus could find fasting aligns well with their goals, offering both structure and adaptability. Conversely, fasting isn't suitable for everyone. People with specific medical conditions, pregnant women, or those with a history of eating disorders should avoid fasting. Consulting a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance to ensure safety and effectiveness. Approaching intermittent fasting with a balanced perspective is essential. While research supports its benefits, it is not a universal solution. Individual experiences vary, and it should complement, not replace, other healthy lifestyle practices like balanced nutrition and regular exercise. Reflect on whether intermittent fasting aligns with your personal health goals and lifestyle. Consider how its structured approach might fit into your daily routine and contribute to your overall well-being. Self-awareness is key to making informed health decisions. Share your intermittent fasting experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others on their health journeys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and insights to support your wellness path.